Let's learn English. Lesson 2. Using verb to be. Using verb to be, present, to express meaning. 1. Age. I am 18. I am 25 years old. He is 10. 2. Job. I am a teacher. She is a student. He is a driver. 3. Role. I am a monk. He is a leader. She is a helper. 4. Place. I am at school. She is at home. We are in the class. 5. Feelings. I am happy. I am sad. He is tired. 6. Appearance. She is tall. He is short. The house is big. 7. Identity or name. I am Sue Sue. She is KK. I am a monk. 8. Nationality. I am Burmese. I am from Myanmar. She is Thai. 9. Status or condition. I am ready. I am busy. I am free. I am tired. 10. Health. I am okay. I am sick. I am fine. 11. Possession or personal state. I am alone. I am married. I am single. 12. Time-related states. I am early. I am late. I am on time. 13. Classroom or learning state. I am ready. I am not ready. He is absent. Teacher use. 14. Opinions. It is good. It is easy. It is difficult. 15. Quantity or number. I am one of the students. We are 3. They are many. 16. Location. I am here. I am inside. I am outside. 17. Weather. It is hot. It is cold. It is rainy. 18. Time and day. It is 1:30 p.m. It is 12 noon. It is Monday. 19. Size or color. It is big. It is small. It is red. The bag is black. 20. Safety or condition. It is safe. It is dangerous. It is clean. In this lesson we have learned that verb to be is followed by a noun or an adjective. It can be followed by pronoun. 21. Verb to be plus pronouns. Object pronouns. It is me. That is him. This is her. That is us. It is them. Possessive pronouns. This is mine. That is yours. The book is hers. The bag is ours. The pen is theirs.